Friends and family, how you doing? So I'm in my trust wallet. As you can see, I have Binance BUSD 52,000 on top, DAI 20,000, so about 72,000 in stable coins. um, um, I'm going to buy this coin here. Just give me a second. Alpaca right here. I'll tell you what it is about soon. I look for coins that the market cap again is under 200 million that I think can pop off. So if we look at its all-time high a year ago, right here, it was at $8 all-time high. It right around March 2021, and then right around May it was at $3. So I see it doing something. So I'm going to buy Alpaca. I'm going to put 5,000 in it. So I click the apps. I go pancake, and I'm gonna search for Alpaca. Alpaca right there, and I'm gonna buy it with BUSD. BUSD, and like I told you, I'm putting I'm gonna put 3,500 in it. That way I could put another 15 if it goes down. So I'm swiping. Let's hope it goes through. Bam, it went. It should be going through in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, it went through. Let me screenshot that. Good. So let's make sure I have see, that's 3,389 in it, and let's screenshot. Perfect. Whoa, wow, what did it say? 46 and 5. So okay, it's low. So let's look for Alpaca now. That's where it's Alpaca. So let's look at what it is. So subscribe, share, follow. By the way, people, follow me. Because and click on my YouTube link if you're not watching on YouTube, and subscribe and follow me, because I post most of my things on YouTube. So if we go here, we look Alpaca Finance. We could launch the app, leverage yield farming by Alpaca for the alpacas. Okay, so documentation. So let's use FAQ. What is Alpaca? It's the largest lending protocol allowing leverage yield farming on Binance Smart Chain. It helps lenders earn safe and stable yields and offer borrowers uncollateralized loans for leverage yield farming position, vastly multiplying their farming principles and result profits. So basically, if you give money, it gives you back money. Meaning coins, so that you don't have to, you give them $200,000 worth of coins, and they'll probably loan you 50%, something like that, and keep your coins. As an enabler for the entire DeFi ecosystem, Alpaca amplifies the liquidity layer. What is yield farming? Innovative DeFi concept where users stake or lend their crypto assets. You're lending your crypto assets. Where does my yield come from? Okay, interest paid by borrowers to open. Okay, cake. How do you use Pocket Finance? Lender, yield farming, liquid data is safe. Okay, so they answer a lot of the questions. So I'm going to now show you the actual application. At risk of a flash loan attack, no. Alpaca is only EOA, which means it does not allow flash loans to interact. Can I be liquidated as a lender? No. Only borrowers that use leverage can be liquidated if price moves too far against them. So meaning if you borrowed money, let's just say you borrowed $50,000 and you use ETH, and they told you put aside $100,000 worth of ETH, and ETH goes down. So that's the way you'll be liquidated. Can I take losses due to bad debt as a lender? Extremely unlikely. Have your contracts been audited? Yes, we've had 10 audits, which should be the highest number. Okay, we've taken, and why should I hold it? Alpaca token is the central token for governing and capturing the value of Alpaca Finance. Okay, cool. So we see all that. So now let me back out, and now let's go to use Alpaca so you can see. My name is Romeo. You can follow, subscribe, share. Okay, I'm not going to connect my wallet. So total value locked up, they have about 1.5 billion. Okay, available lending pools where they can lend. Staking 20%. Okay, total supply bar is 72 billion. Total borrowed is 2 million. and that's IB Alpaca. So we got IB BNB. Total supply 721,429 is borrow. Lending ABPR. Total supply. This is lending BUSD, which I like putting my money in. 233 million. They lend 138. So I see it. So now the big right here is USDT, 155 million supply. So I like this coin. That's why I bought this coin. I believe it should be moving. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. Thank you for listening to me.